So this is my 1970 Ford Torino Convertible. I picked this up in March of 2022. I'm going to do a full restoration on it. It had been sitting since the 1980s. Dash is pretty rough. Need to replace the windows. They've been busted out, which I have. The top's in pretty rough shape, but the top frame itself's really nice. Quarter panels need some work. I've already replaced the driver's side. Still got to do the passenger side. I've got new fenders. I've got the shaker hood. It had been sitting since, I think, 89. That window sticker's from 85. I actually had the 1989 title and got in touch with the previous owner that was listed on the title. 351 Cleveland H code. That's in it right now. Engine bay is actually pretty solid. No rust. Cowl's in perfect condition. I think at some point the driver's side fender had been in a little rough shape. Underside, the floor pans are in pretty decent shape. But you go around to the passenger side torque box. I've got a little work to do to it. But I have a completely new replacement for it that I took off a parts car. So I'm not too worried about that. And driver's side, it's actually in much better condition. The rear pan on the driver's side is a little soft, so I'll probably go ahead and replace it. But it's just thin. You go around to the trunk. The gutters are in great shape, surprisingly. Normally, these are all rusted out. You can see some of that original medium ivy green metallic coming through. You can see the deck lid's in great shape. Just needs a lot of TLC.